tell me why I'm the only one out and it's snowing. It's like a blizzard out there. This is the first snowfall of the year, and they're predicting like 6 inches here in southeast Michigan. Yeah, I'm craving another salad. I am at the Chic restaurant. Let's see. Is it up out there? It's closed. We're gonna try this again here at Amir. Alamir, and let me tell you a bedtime story about Alamir. It's been around forever and ever and ever. The original one is from Dearborn Heights, and they opened one up in Canton. And I like this place. They've got really good chicken shawarma. They are so good that they ran out of chicken shawarma. Oh God, this is not my night. Take three. Do you see the snow coming down? I am officially at Shisho Palace. I don't know if you see the sign. However, the Chic was closing early because of the snowstorm. Then I got to Alamir. That was take 2. And they said they're out of chicken shawarma. And now I am here at Shisho. I definitely called ahead of time this time. And they said they had chicken ramen rice salad. They're pulling through once again. It is so snowy. I'm going in all for chicken ramen rice salad. Guess what? I'm a soldier. So yeah, all I ordered was a salad and soup, and it seems like they gave me a ton of stuff. Probably because they feel sorry for me and they knew my story. Not really, but they're probably like, oh my God, she's coming out in a blizzard. Let's give her extra bread or something like that.